How to speak English? Very friendly. You can tell me nothing, but I learn you. What kinds of you learn speaking English very fluently, like your mother tongue. La- when you born in a childhood, nothing anyone to learn how to speak your mother tongue, but in that time you always listening and react in your body language and personal languages to learn and speak. After that, in this time you will very fluently speak English in your mother tongue like a mother tongue. So on you listening very clearly, and after that you speak English very fluently. Speaking and listening is very important role to pay any language to learn how to speak any language. In role the role to pay listening and reading very important. Then I speak a good short storytelling. Let's start. A new appointed teacher with good academic records has come to take up English classes of class 7th. He is sincere enough and had sound knowledge of the new trends and approach of teaching English language, whether through functional communicate method or the direct method. He tries to follow his professional skills acquired from the handbook or the teacher's manual and advice from linguistics. In the classroom, he uses only English as the medium of his instruction. He advises his learners to guess the meanings. He sincerely tries to improve the standard of teaching by means of interaction. As a man, he is a sociable one, and within a few days he becomes popular among his students. But unfortunately, after a few days, he comes to know from one of his students outside the classroom that they could understand very little of what he taught. The teachers asked politely, "Why did you not confess your problem in the classroom?" The student replies modestly but hesitantly, "We couldn't say anything as you were not speaking our mother tongue, and we cannot speak English." That's good. This is a best storytelling. You learn and speak very bluntly and guess how to speak and role to play learner learning and listening and within very fluently word to word repeat. After that you speak English better in other pastimes. That's good. Thanks for watching.